Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I had intended on recording yesterday, but I had a change of plans. I had to babysit yesterday, my grandson, so that took the whole day. So needless to say, nothing got done. But I did get this package in the mail. And short story behind this package is friend mail, by the way. The short story is I went to the mailbox and I really wasn't expecting anything. I'm actually looking for some some dyes that I ordered from AliExpress. And I got that said, Ali doesn't send dyes in this thing. So I looked at the name on it and I didn't recognize it. So I'm coming home. I'm searching my phone. I said, maybe I ordered something. Okay, I don't remember ordering anything. Okay, I checked my bank accounts. I checked all my cards. I said, maybe it was something that I did, like, because I've been looking at junk journal ephemera online, like on Etsy and Amazon and eBay. I said maybe I put one of those in like my cart, and maybe the person just sent it without me paying it. Then that mean I got to call them and let them know that they did it so I can send them the money, that type of deal. So something said, crazy Ian, will you go back and look in the envelope? Because I looked in the envelope to see if there was like an invoice or something, and I didn't see it. I said, let me go back and look in the envelope. Okay, look in the envelope. And there was this note right here. And this package was sent from Miss Nuks and Missies. Thank you, girl. But I just want you to know you had me going. Alright, by the time I found this letter, I had the most horrible headache. Because I'm like, oh my God, my children are going to have to take my cards from me. Because I'm going crazy. I'm ordering stuff and don't remember. Oh my God, but I want to thank you so much. She's such a sweetheart. And we're going to start this thing today, as a matter of fact. I'm going to start making, I already showed you guys, but I'm just going to do a little thing, making some ephemera for the junk journal. But guys, look what she sent. Oh my goodness. I haven't opened any of it really. I kind of opened the bag like that. I said, well, no, let me just wait and do like an unboxing. And so I hadn't really gone through any of this stuff. And thank you so much. And another thing too is, when I saw the name, I'm like, this person has my address. Who in the ham and eggs has my address? The only people that have my address are people that I've interacted with. So of course I go to my memory decks. First card I picked up, there she was. I'm like, okay. See, whoo, girl, you just don't know. You just don't understand. I was about ready to commit myself. But look at, come on, I don't want to tear it up. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at these. These are so beautiful. Look at here. She sent some doilies. Oh, and I'm going to need all of these. Oh, my ink. I've been wanting some of this stuff right here. This ledger paper. Oh, my God. Yes, Lord. 1, 2, 3. Enough for each signature. Yes, yes. And look at this. Oh, my goodness. Who is this? Oh, you know what? My cousin has an actual catalog of theirs. Oh my God, Sears and Roebuck. I think from like the early 1900s, like 1908 or something like that. I think he said. I can't remember. Oh my God, I don't even know if I don't even know if I'm gonna use these. I might want to just keep these to look at. I love this type of stuff. What's this? This ain't a phone book, is it? Oh no, it's part of the Sears and Roebuck catalog. Oh my God. Oh, have mercy. $10 for a bike. Okay? You never see that again. I don't even think at the thrift store. But I bet you that was a lot of money when this was done. Do I have a date on it? Y'all know I can't see, right? I don't see a date. At least I'm trying to look fast and I don't see a date. And I used to buy these bags off of Etsy long time ago. Do I even have one? I thought I had one like right in the area, but I don't see one. It's not exactly like this one, but it's the same, you know, the same flavor. Oh, look, and she sent these. Look at these, they're so cute. And these are, oh, and they're flat. So these will go great in the book. Oh my God. These will go great. And you know what? I'm gonna put all this stuff, everything that'll fit anyway, right into my happy book. Oh, and she sent garment pens. Ooh. I got different color different metals of garment pens. I got some gold, looks like some silver, some bronzy ones, some black ones. Those are too cute. And I've always wanted garment pens. I just never ordered them. Okay, let's look at this bag right here. Yes, hunty, yes. Look at this. She put this really huge playing card with some eyelash trim. Here's another one with some, and you know something, guys, I think I purchased eyelash trim once and it got on my damn nerves so bad. I don't even know what I did with it. I still may have it somewhere, but look at this. This is so cute. And of course, you know I want eyelash trim now. Oh, look at here. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Oh, this looks like that Tim Holtz, and it may be like that Tim Holtz type fabric. Oh my God. And you know what? Speaking of Tim Holtz, I got a vellum stack that I'm going to use his as well. I just thought about it. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Miss Nuks and Missies, girl, thank you so much. Let's look and see what's in here. Oh, green stick. Guys, my grandma used to have these. Years, when I was a little girl, my grandma used to have these little things right here. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. What I wouldn't give to have her books right now. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, picture frames. Coolness. Another flint. Ooh. Okay. Tickets. Admit one. Okay. Tickets. Got some of those. Look at this. Oh, you know something? I would have never thought to use empty seed packet as ephemera. Oh my goodness. Tomatoes, 20 cents. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, see, y'all give me such inspiration. Oh my gosh. Like French fry little things. Some tags. Hollywood, California. Okay, Greyhound. Okay. Here's more. Here's some. Cutesy. Very, very cute. Ooh, look at the colors. Bags. Oh my gosh. See, I'd have been stuck some cookies in here. Aren't they cute? Oh, napkins. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful napkins. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Super cute. I hope I'm showing these things. I'm looking at them and oohing and ahhing. Bingo. I've always wanted some bingo cards. Oh my God. Okay. I've always wanted some bingo cards. More bags. And bags. Oh my God. Glassine bags. Oh, girl. I gotta find my book. I gotta get this all in my book. I gotta get this in my book. Where's my book? Where's my book? Where's my book? There it is. Alright. So I got my happy book right here, and I'm going to put all this stuff in my happy book. And when I get it in, I'm going to be right back, and I'm going to show you guys. Oh, Miss Nuks and Missies. Girl, we need to talk. Alright, I'll see you as soon as I get this done. Okay guys, I'm back. Look at this. I got my my embellishments in the book. I got the bags right here. These are so cute, and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use all this stuff. I'm gonna try my best to put everything in my first junk journal. I got these right here. Got the napkins here. I got the cloth here. This is the stuff that I had already in here. These are some of the bags. I got spaces for 2 more. These are these types of ephemera that she gave me. And here's these over here. Here are these things. I think some tags are back there as well. And these are the other bags. This right here, I put these at the back because it wouldn't close. So I just stuck this right here because I didn't want to fold it or cut it yet. And that's just my other stuff. But my embellishment book is nice and chunky, and I'm gonna excuse me, I'm gonna leave these in this thing right here, how she had it set up, because I'm actually about to go and read some of these ads. And I know y'all like, Tasha, really? Yeah, really. I'm gonna go and read some of those ads and see what they're talking about. I know I know it might be kind of nerdy, but hey, what can you say? I'm an IT person, so you know, I'm a born nerd. Okay guys, that is it. I want to thank you all so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.